We often talk, can law of attraction help depression? If you have been feeling down, then above question may interest you. You probably feel frustrated about your life and wonder what can be done to get your life back to normal. I understand how you feel because I have been down this road before. I felt hopeless and like I had nothing else to live for. I didn't want to just live the way of others. I wanted more. I deserved more. I had been looking for a way to make my life better since I was a young child. And the good news is I found my life purpose. That's why I am here to tell you it's not too late. You can learn how to rid yourself of depression. I was able to do this, and so you can. You just need to find the right method to achieve this. When you are asking law of attraction help depression, you must ask how. There are many methods out there, but when you know the basics and use this method correctly, you will on your way to curing yourself of depression. Let's begin by examining why depression happens. The law of attraction is all about attracting what you're thinking. As long as you are focusing all your energy on negative thoughts, then nothing positive ever happens. This is a simple statement, but it's so important to understand. You can organize your thoughts, and anything you wish will happen. That's right. You don't even have to try force anything. The most important part is you let go of belief that you will not have what you want simply because you feel it will not work. The secret to using the law of attraction to help you overcome depression. The more belief you hold, the more power you will have. If you believe you will not succeed at anything, then you will fail. But if you think you will succeed, then that exactly it will happen. When you think about that, you have a better chance of getting what you want out of life. And you know what all it takes? Just by thinking those two thoughts enough times, you will manifest them into your reality. It's that easy. Think about anything else, depression or no. Can you think positively? Can you think of a solution to your problem anytime soon? I know you can. I am living proof. You can do it. Depression is something we all deal with from time to time. It can be a temporary state of mind. We get in adverse situations that cause us to think negatively. We can change those thoughts, however, if we choose to. So don't be afraid to think about positive things. It is amazing how that simple phrase can bring so much into your life. Once you start doing, you will wonder how you live the rest of life without it. See, law of attraction isn't just a hype. It is proven. It works. There is no way around it. If you are suffering from depression, you can use the law of attraction to get out of it. I know you have tried before and it hasn't worked. It can be frustrating. It is not as easy as it first seems. The most important thing you need to realize, you are in charge of your own life. No one else can do it for you. You need to decide what it is that you want, and then take action on that desire every day.